everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today, you're gonna know who you are and which type of personality do you belong to. In this video, who are you, an introvert or an extrovert or an ambivert? To know that, you must first be aware of what is personality. Does it mean your appearance? No, definitely not. Personality is the special combination of qualities in a person that makes that person different from others, as shown by the way the person behaves, feels, and thinks. Who is an introvert? An introvert is someone who is shy, quiet, and prefers to spend time alone rather than often being with other people. Introverts recharge themselves by spending time alone. Comment the name of the introvert in your family and friends gang in the comment section. Who is an extrovert? An extrovert is an energetic person who enjoys being with other people. Extroverts gain energy by placing themselves in social situations. They don't mind being under the spotlight or the center of attention. However, spending too much time alone drains them mentally. Comment the name of the extrovert in your family and friends gang in the comment section. Who is an ambivert? An ambivert is a person who has personality that mixes the features of both introverts and extroverts. This third personality surprisingly constitutes most of the population. Ambiverts recharge and regain their energy through a mixture of social interactions and alone time. If you are an ambivert, comment your name in the comment section. Thanks for spending your valuable time with me. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and ShareChat. Thank you.